Gurugram has come a long way and has become a city with the third largest per capita income and is one of the largest corporate hubs and is home to modern cyber parks, high-tech offices and residential spaces. With the area's connections to Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi Railway Station and Huda City Centre Metro Station, there is an expected transformation in the socio-economic outlook of the region. The connectivity of Eldeco Acclaim with KMP Highway and Delhi-Mumbai Expressway has exceptionally transformed and reduced the travel time to nearby cities. Sustaining this thriving city life, the minimal distance of 24 kilometers between Eldeco Acclaim and Rajiv Chowk encompasses major landmarks on the Sohna Road. Passing from Subhash Chowk, the residents will find shopping malls like Omax Mall, ILD Trade Center, Trends and JMD Megapolis. Surpassing the Golf Extension Road and Badshahpur Chowk gets the residents closer to their luxurious home. Eldeco Acclaim is located near the upcoming Badshahpur flyover, which will reduce travel time to the major areas of Gurugram. On top of this, several reputed institutions are already operational in the near vicinity. The signal-free corridor is expected to greatly reduce the travel time between Sohna and Gurugram. At Eldeco Acclaim, the Phase 2 of Eldeco Acclaim, the residents can enjoy a plethora of benefits such as strategic location and sound infrastructure, which welcomes a wholesome lifestyle with high-end retail and recreation, gated community, customized dwellings and state-of-the-art amenities. In such a dynamic market, the up-and-coming Eldeco Acclaim brings a new and improved residential experience with 2 to 3 BHK premium apartments having well-ventilated homes with ample sunlight. Eldeco Acclaim provides a lifestyle club Acclaim. Ready and operational for leisure, which includes a gym, billiards, a squash court, an area for table tennis and a swimming pool with deck and lounge. An additional well-equipped sports complex for badminton, lawn tennis, half-court basketball and kids play area for children to channelize their energy within the walls of Eldeco Acclaim. Eldeco Acclaim is surrounded by lifestyle-enhancing facilities with an in-complex retail zone for daily needs. In the lovely shadows of Aravali Hills, this exquisite residential complex enhances the way of life while building a close community in a zone with optimal security and health benefits. Living in the lap of luxurious amenities, Eldeco Acclaim brings to you an all-round, charismatic style of life.
I think we made the right choice when we had put in our money in this flat some 7 years back. That was only from the point of investment. But when we saw this flat, when it was ready for the first time, I think we really liked it.
Yeah, the area is beautiful, green patches around, air is much cleaner and a lot of place for kids to play. The play area is fantabulous and the view is very good, balcony view is very good.
Absolutely, I think that is what clicked with us, and we changed our mind. And we thought of, rather than putting somebody else to stay here, why not we? We should be, enjoying this view. And, it's matching our requirement absolutely to the T because the schools are close by.
The air is so clean, pollution free, yeah. Loving it.
Where can you imagine, this kind of a place in a place like Delhi or Mumbai?
Place, yeah, not possible.
Yeah. So I think we made a right choice when we moved in here. So we are very happy.
We are happy and it's a dream home now. So we don't think we'll shift from here.
Yep.
Really nice place.
Yep.